Although our aluminium tent poles are designed to be lightweight and robust, they still require an element of care and maintenance. We're going to talk to you today about how to look after your poles like you would any other part of your tent. So let's start at the beginning. When removing your poles from the pole bag, take care to do it gently to avoid pulling the shock cord and risking the possibility of the sections snapping together. When unfolding your poles, please make sure that they don't snap together and never flick the sections together. This can create nicks in the aluminium, which can eventually become a point of weakness. This could lead to a fracture and result in pole failure. When assembling the pole, ensure the ferrule joints are fully seated. When it comes to inserting the pole through the pole sleeve, ensure that you feed the pole by pushing through and make sure the ferrules are fully seated. A ferrule that's not fully seated could cause the pole to fail and catch the fabric and rip it. If there is tension when feeding the pole through, don't force it, as this could damage the tent or pole. Check where the tension is and remedy before pushing the pole through. When it comes to taking down your tent, release the tension on the poles gradually and remove the pole from the grommets. Then push the pole out of the sleeve. Ensure you push and don't pull, as this can overstretch the shock cord as well as risk snapping back and damaging the tent pole or the tent fabric. When folding your poles back together, start from the middle and carefully work your way to the outside. This avoids overstretching the shock cord. If you have any queries, please visit our website at www.terra-nova.co.uk.